Hello, welcome to Hidden Treasures of Phoenix. I'm Vicki, and today I'm going exploring with my fellow librarian Kate. We're walking the Reach 11 Barrier-Free Access Nature Trail, which is a mouthful. It's located in the Reach 11 Recreation Area, a 1,500-acre park, which is about 7 miles long and less than 1/2 mile wide. It runs east and west along the north side of the Central Arizona Project Canal in northeast Phoenix. It's named Reach 11 for the section of the canal that it borders. The park has 18 miles of multi-use trails. The Barrier-Free Access Nature Trail parking lot is located on the east side of Tatum Boulevard between Union Hills Drive and Mayo Boulevard. There is no sign for the parking lot, so if you blink, you might miss it. This really is a hidden treasure. The nature trail is short and accessible to many people. You may see wildlife and interesting plants, and some parts of the trail are shaded. There is also a pond known as the Bullfrog Pond at the halfway part of the loop. The first part of the trail is a 1/2 mile concrete path, and then the nature trail loop starts, which is a partially paved 3/4 mile loop. Although it is fairly accessible, portions of the trail exceed a 5% grade, and if it has been raining, there can be mud in places, so wheelchair users may require assistance at times. A picnic bench and a regular bench are available, but there are no restrooms. This is a nice walk, especially if you do it during the cooler part of the year. If it's hot, we recommend you go early in the morning and take plenty of water. As you walk, the nature trail has 20 signs along the way describing the animals and plants of the area. You may see dove, quail, cottontail, jackrabbit, and coyotes, along with plants like mesquite, palo verde, acacia, hackberry, desert broom, creosote, and ironwood. Squirrel, we know you're there. The Bullfrog Pond is at the halfway point of the loop, as shown in this Google Maps image. Unless you have walked this trail, you probably didn't know there was a pond here right in the middle of the city. And yes, it does get its name because there are American bullfrogs and tadpoles in the pond. It can be fun and unexpected to watch them. Sometimes families bring nets and buckets to catch them and then release them. However, American bullfrogs are an invasive species introduced to Arizona as a game species between the 1920s through at least 1982 by the Arizona Game and Fish Department. Bullfrogs are largely responsible for the decline of native species such as the Chiricahua leopard frog. You can read more about the problem in the links at the end. Thanks for watching with us and sticking around until the end. Keep watching to see some library books about other Phoenix trails, nature in Arizona, and frogs. View the whole library events calendar at mcldaz.org/events. And we hope to see you soon in person or online for another MCLD Now program.